Moon Soaps Havana First Impressions. Welcome to my channel, me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver. And yes, Moon Soaps. So glad to finally have a Moon's Soap in the den. Thank you so much to Marion the Barbarian for sending this to me. Made and handcrafted in California, and actually I will link down in the description box below right to Moon Soaps. You can read up on Melody's story, how she got into soap making. It's quite the read, and I've interacted with Melody a few times. Melody is a most wonderful woman. So yes, Moon Soaps, this is in their tropical tallow base. They render their own tallow in-house, and this is just an absolutely incredible scent. You have tobacco, you have vetiver, bergamot, musk, spices, vanilla, aged teak wood. It all just blends into a wonderful spicy tobacco vanilla scent with a little bit of greenness in it. It is so good. For me, I would put this on the light side of medium. It's not a super in-your-face scent. It's not really going to explode and fill the den, but what you do smell is wonderfully, expertly blended, and it smells really good, and it's definitely strong enough that when you're doing the shave, you know you are shaving with this soap. So it's not, I wouldn't say it's a light scent. It's on the light side of medium. No issues lathering this up. I've used this twice now. I can pretty much take it anywhere I want. I can go with that thick, really cloudy, voluminous, show lather or YouTube lather, what we like to say here in the biz. Perfect for DE shaving, stuff like that. And if I really want to throw a wicked amount of water into it, I can water it right down, get it into a really thin, low structure, super hydrated lather for straight razor shaving. Not an issue taking it either way. So whichever type of shaver you are, this soap will do what you want it to do and how you want it to do it. It loads easy, it lathers easy. Super easy product to work with. The slickness is great. Residual slickness is great. All around, it's a really good product. And so far, enjoying it. Really enjoying it. And once more, I like to support artisans that do good things for the community. Melody is a wonderful person, and this won't be the last Moon Soap in the den. I will definitely have to reach out and expand on a little bit more of this product, as yeah, 2 shaves in, both great shaves. I haven't used a straight razor with it yet, but that'll be next. I don't foresee any issues with this handling the blade. It'll be fine, absolutely fine. And so yeah, that'll about wrap it up for this one, guys. Just a short little first impressions. There will be a full review coming on the channel with this in the future, but that'll be about do it for now. I just wanted to get a quick little first impressions out, try something new, and that'll be that. So if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Helps the wet shaving community grow, helps my channel grow. We are working towards 1,000 subscribers here on the channel. When we hit 1,000, I'm going to be doing a mega giveaway, including a Carve Overlander, brand spanking new. I don't even own the Carve Overlander yet, but I'm giving one away. Also stay tuned. There will be a couple giveaways in between then, or here and now, here and then, sorry. And so yeah, keep an eye out for that. So yeah, that'll do it for me, guys. So until next time, be safe, be kind to one another, and have a great day, need a better shape. Catch you in the next one. Peace.